Hello, traders. Welcome to the stream, where we're starting the stream with gold, because gold made all-time highs. Highest level in human civilization, 6,000 years of store value, and here it is, its highest valuation, $2,160. And just looking at Fibonacci high to low, we could see that 2200 is 1272, 1414 is 2258, 1618 is 2350. So very nice to see. Terrible for your purchasing power. This means the money you have is worth way less. The stream on? Can y'all hear me? Is everything okay? It's Thursday. Yeah, it's hype for the boomers. I mean, this thing goes to 2,700. It goes up 20%. I'm sorry. Some of these altcoins are going up 20% in 10 minutes. So it's like, great, dude. Great. Just had to start the stream with it, right? Just because, wow. Awesome stuff, man. I guess. Sadly, Bitcoin, though, cannot do it. It cannot break that former highest daily candle close ever, 67,554.84. Testing 16 hours yesterday, then you tested a good old 12 hours today. You were trying, and you failed every time. It's so pathetic, man. Like, what are they doing? But I guess what's good is second highest daily candle close on Bitcoin since 2021. Only second to the highest candle close ever in human history, March 4th. So that's it, man. You just got this zone up here, this level between the highest daily candle close ever and the highest wick ever. They are not able to break it, are they? Nope. But while that's happening, while Bitcoin just farts around, dude, the altcoins doing things, they keep doing things every day. It's a different one, right? Or the same one. Today, FTM killed it. FTM, highest daily candle close confirmed since May 4th, 2022. Approaching a kind of maybe a profit taking level. I mean, if you got in on a dragon pattern like that, that's certainly like, yep. This is where in history there's been supply and where the price has reversed pretty violently. So we did, but if they ever break that, good God.
$15.33 from Bet1 then Bet2.
Sorry, we did go up on request.
Let's run it up till halving.
You know, I try to make it like I can just do this for like a whole stream. And then like, you know, people will see it. I get it though. Like, you know, everyone's got their habit at 15. It's 20 now based on market conditions. I'm sorry. There it is. Okay. It's just there. Oh my God, dude, what is happening? Thank you though. Look, dude, if everything you purchase that exists on the planet gets to go up, that means everything that everyone here, including me, consumes costs more. Okay, so, and it's just because of the market conditions. Like, we slip back into a bear market, all right, we'll go back. But we're not in a bear market. We're not. I don't know who you're talking to or listening to. We're not in a bear market. You don't make consecutive higher highs, higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows, and you're in a bear market. You're not. Okay, so if the buyers are ever able to take out 95 cents, mother of God, there's like legit nothing there until 163. So you might see a pullback here. Fine, look for another setup. But eventually they'll retest 95 cents. You'll break it, and it could be just a clean shot to 160s, 180s. And that would make sense, like common retraces. Common retrace zone. Here it is, the golden zone. 145 to 222. That's eventually where this thing will probably go, but it'll take maybe months for it to happen. Thank you, Bet1, then 2.
$9.99 from Bet1 then Bet2. DHNX Mitch, always appreciate the time.
Just to listen to somebody say they're short every $5,000 on Bitcoin. Okay, EOS, Mother of God, was one of the top gainers. Highest daily candle close since April 13th, 2023. So not even 52-week highs. Now, intraday, you got 52-week highs. Highest price action seen, highest price seen since September 2022. But just recovering, and you'll keep seeing these. Okay, it's EOS today. It'll be Dash tomorrow. Zcash, the ones that were beaten down, that were just so wrecked, they'll catch up. They'll have some insane days. You'll see Zcash, Dash for sure. I mean, at some point, once they break those resistances, talking 40% upside. I don't want to look at it, but I just am because it was the next best performer on the list today, and it's big time. I'm saying I don't want to look at it because I don't want to be like, can't believe this guy's looking big time. It's just like unreal. It was, you know, I have refined it a little bit, a level here.
Matthew B tipped $25. EWT/USD. You told me to be patient and wait for a backtest of $2.30. The backtest occurred a couple days ago. Does the bullish engulfing candle today confirm that level as support?
Matthew B, thank you so much for the $25 contribution. We will certainly look at it. Okay, I'm not sure, but we'll look. Thank you, Kingsman. So just looking at one of the top gainers today, big time. It was up at its highs. It was up 15%, but there's just this one swing low, you know, level. Swing high, I would just consider it like, just if you're so conservative, it's a level of inflection, okay? Because you had a support here, resistance here, and then kind of resistance lately, and that's it though. I mean, it's really probably not a big deal, but again, just showing you what they've been testing almost every day since March 2nd, and if they break that for real, see you at 80 cents, 99 cents, 120, 145. And we'll triple up and call it a day. I call it an amazing trade because it is almost literally identical to another asset that went berserk today, but then within the last 20 minutes dropped like 15%, 20%. Hi. It's this, so big time. So this is hot. This is big time senior. Okay. This is, let's do the thing. Do the thing, man. You know, the Constitution, the thing, dude. Okay, this is legit. How is this different than big time? It's not different than big time. It's the same picture. It's like virtually a 618 on B and an 886 on D. It's an 886 Gartley. And you got 3 valleys. And just, you know, all right, okay. Okay. The old trade setup, we're just hitting the repeat, okay? Hitting the repeat. Hi. Big time. Nothing matters. You just own it and you wait. You wait and you wait and you wait. INJ had a big day, a big recovery, and the targets are still real. Major fib extensions. Yeah, liquidity grab. As we discussed, almost something identical happened. A big pullback, liquidity grab before it went and tested again, then broke out. It's like probably exactly what you're doing right here. Okay, so they tested the top again, top of the range, and patience required if you want to see 53, 68, 83, 92. Patience. Sorry. Sol had a big breakout day. Broke 143.44. That's an overhead resistance that is undeniable from March of 2022. And there's really just not much here. I think a $200 target on Sol eventually. But yep. Highest daily candle close on one of your largest market cap cryptos since January 2022. So we got multi-year highs on Sol confirmed. Hype in the chat. Hype in the chat, man. Okay. B and Bay had a great day. Mother of God, unstoppable. Highest daily candle close on BNB since like January 14th, 2022. So multi-year highs again. And you're waiting for $500. This thing is insane. It started with inverse head and shoulders, bull pull, bull flag. The bull flag broke out. The bull pull, you know, measured move is like almost doubled now. So $500. If they're ever able to break 500, pretty smooth sailing up to 639, 640, and then maybe even all-time highs. So still woefully underperforming Bitcoin from its high to low. It's not even, it's very close to a 618. Bitcoin's at a 100% retrace. Ethereum is on its way. It's very close to a 78% retrace. Sol has just breached its 50%. It's pretty close. It's Sol and BNB are pretty comparable in performance in terms of percentage retraces from their highs to their lows. Pretty blue skies right here. $500. And I'll go Rand. Well, up against a very key level. If the buyers are ever able to absorb the supply that remains or that exists at 28.6 cents. You have an easy run to 37 cents. Above that, 49.7 cents. Above that, 67, 76, 88. And it's one at a time, man. It was a top gainer, one of the top gainers. Band had a decent day. And God, what did it do? Had its highest daily candle close since November 6th, 2022. Right? Remember all the back tests. It could fake out again. It still could fake out, but eventually $3.80 to $4 on band. And that's it. It's the band. ONT. Highest daily candle close confirmed since like May 8th, 2022. Not really much here until 43 cents, 50 cents. Okay, just had a good day. Had a 52-week high. Very nice, man. YFI. I think if you're patient enough on this, you'll see 14.1, 18,000. If they ever break 18,000, look out, man. Look out for insanity. Probably 26, 31, 39. Yeah, the basement, harmonic structure, type 2 return, now the higher low above the 200-day moving average, holding above the November 2020 low, 74.53. Yeah, patience, and you'll probably see way, way higher prices, man. Way higher. GRT. And remember, it already broke out. 29.85 cents, 30 cents. Your target from here, I mean, if they just are going to repeat history and run it to the next big level, it's 48 to 50 cents. That's it. So GRT, patiently waiting for 50 cents.
$20
okay.
from Yarl D. Floor on Coinbase fibs on daily.
Thank you, Yarl D, for the 20. We will look at FLR, Flare, which I guess is that XRP thing. Thank you. HBAR had a good day. The highest daily candle close confirmed since May 4th, 2022. It broke out. There's nothing here till 16 cents. That's been the case. If you ever broke 12.4, yep, 16 cents. If you ever break 16 cents, well, here's your golden zone, your major retrace zone, 24.4 to 37 cents. That's it. It all started with the harmonic framework. What do you want, man? IMX. They have formally back tested a resistance as support for the first time past couple days. And you were just getting closer and closer to that 340 threshold, where if they break that, 416, 544. It all started, you know how it started, man. Well, is it big time? No, it's not even as good as big time. DYDX, well. What happened here? The highest daily candle close of the new bull trend that is been reconfirmed again past day or two. Highest daily candle close really since like April 28, 2022. So almost multi-year highs, certainly 52-week highs, taking out that peak from November. Highest close, highest price of 2024. You wait long enough, you're waiting for $7. DYDX, $7. DYDX, $7. And join the annual Patreon because why not? Because you got in because it was like, all right, he's saying $7. And then all of a sudden your money it triples, right? From the levels that made the most sense. Every day screaming at you, screaming, top of my lungs, DYDX, DYDX. No, you still not getting that. Okay, screw you then. Whatever, dude. Don't care. $7. See you there. Blair had a good day, kind of. It hit one target of the setup, but has never been able to break that 74, 75 cent level. I think eventually 124, but just not yet. I guess things weren't really like that crazy. So, I mean, like Tezos broke out to an extent. It's a big deal. Swing low, swing high. You broke it. Highest daily candle close confirmed on Tezos since like mid-September 2022, on the way to 170, 185, which is the first target of that weekly position trade setup. Remember that setup was posted back here when it made sense, when there were things happening that triggered the publication, and now it's gone. And like, you asking about Tezos now is like, what are you doing? What's your problem, man? Okay, see you maybe in, you know, what, 20 more cents, 30 more cents of upside probably on this before it's hitting some pretty freaking major levels. Okay. ARB still primed for glory. This is a trade setup. The trade setup became even more powerful with this little wick back test. Just another level of confirmation that what was once resistance is support. If you wait, you have your targets in the Patreon. You had your targets live on stream a million times. So way higher. $3 target minimum eventually. Price discovery. Who knows how freaking high this thing will fly? But it is confirmed. And the probability is very high of much more upside on ARB. That's it. Currently, right now, trading at its highest price since January 12th. Taking out that peak from mid-February and just recently from the 3rd. Things looking good, man. I mean, they're set up. Unibot had a decent day. You just don't understand. You're looking at it now and you're not even paying attention. You're like eating Doritos in the other room. You're listening, but you're not watching. You're not seeing. You don't care. But at one point, when Unibot later, like weeks, months later, is at $150 to $200, you can't say that we're not in here trying to tell you about it. Because this is what things look like before they do that, before they go, they triple in value or more, because it's crypto. So stop eating Doritos, pay attention. There's been opportunity for months now. There's still some more opportunity, but you're really kind of running out. And that's your fault. This song sucks. Okay, let's go look at Ethereum. Let's look at the remainder of the big coins. Ethereum did well. It did well, man. Another day, another fresh, highest candle close seen since late December 2021. Approaching that 78.6% retrace, 4,020.
$9.99 from Jeff Stone. $DNT
super chat. Thank
pattern
you,
on the monthly.
Appreciate the
OG
contribution.
coin starting in 2017.
Komodo.
Dret tip $29.19. KMD/USD please. 0.2000000000 Sol.
Dret, thank you so much for the $29.19 of Solana. We will look at Komodo coin. Fantastic, man. Thank you, dude. So, still blue sky in here. 4,020 to 4,030. That is one last overhead resistance, September 2021, till you get to 4179, 4384, the big zone. And it's just running unstoppable every day. Another green candle, just about. And looks like it's already starting on the new day. God. All right, so with Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay, you know.
Since we started out on Bitcoin, let's go further into crypto.
Okay, let's look at XRP. But dude, XRP, it's XRP. Yeah, XRP is eventually going to see 70 cents, 74 cents, 91 cents. You just wonder what Bitcoin's price or other altcoins prices will be by the time it gets to those levels. Drunken Wino, thanks, but you understand if you bought CRV at the appropriate time when that trade set was published, it's up 56% plus since the entry. You must be in stupid, positive P&L if you got it in CRV at the right time. Okay, XRP going higher eventually, you think, based on the structures here and everything, but it just might underperform literally everything else, like usual. ETC, my alert went off at the beginning of the stream. Ethereum Classic just had another fresh highest daily candle close since September 2022, on its way to $40, the second target of the trade setup. That's right. Leroy Jenkins, his spirit remains with us since we have certainly breached the
32.33 repeating, of course,
level, and now just heading to the next one above 40, 54, $60. Crazy stuff. Beautiful, man. Very, very nice. What do you want? I mean, like, how can you be unhappy? How can you have problems with these kind of moves that are happening across the crypto space? Man, it's pretty freaking nice, dude. I'll tell you. Okay. So I guess we'll just go knock out a couple of those requests. We'll ask Jonathan how his totals are. Jonathan, how's everything going, man? Is everything good, dude?
I like turtles.
Thank you. There's Jonathan. On the 4, I'll go to the daily. Okay, Jesus Chimes for total. Total market cap, highest daily candle close confirmed since December 2nd, 2021. That is the highest high, the highest candle close of the entire uptrend. You are mooning, and you don't need Bitcoin, it seems. Because Bitcoin didn't do crap, man. Bitcoin cannot break 67,554. It has been stonewalled for countless hours now. Okay. Beautiful. So that first request, and that's above 2.45 trillion too. Look, see that? It's a candle high close. It's a wick. It's another wick. That's crazy that they broke that. So you'd think like, oh, okay, 2.579 trillion would be the next resistance if this was a true breakout. It was confirmed with the candle close. All right. Pretty big development there. It's nice. Okay, FLR? No, no. Hold on. Bitcoin to SPY. Bitcoin to the spider. For bet 1 then 2. Okay. You wanted it. You got it. Here it is. 88% retrace. You can see. Clearly those are the levels. 2.77 billion, 2.9 billion. There you go. I mean, pretty much hit the 886. It was shy, just barely. But I mean, you are reaching those levels, man. So not performing as well as Bitcoin and the US dollar, just because I think the spider is a little bit harder of money than the US dollar would be.
$19.99 from Buster Farm. Stellar XLM thoughts on this beanie baby.
Fam, thank you, dude. We will look at XLM. That, remember, it looked really good. I mean, like confirmed bottom locally, higher lows. It was solid in its own right. Okay. So what is there to do? There's nothing to do, right? We can't strategize an entry, stop loss, take profits. It's gone. All I can do is tell you that 886 looms, 2.77 billion. It's clearly a resistance, overhead resistance from 2021. And then, just above that, 2.92 billion. If Bitcoin ever continued to run and you ever broke 2.9 billion, you got 3.49 billion, 1272 fib extension, 4.2 billion, 1618.
Is that a joint?
Okay. That's it. Bet one, then two. Thank you, dude. Matthew B. Matthew Bay. EWT. To the US day. Huh? Is there... Looked like he had a particular... Oh yeah, remember? We were like, all right, if we were blessed enough, we got it. I mean, we didn't quite get to the lowest part, but remember, it was someone requested it, and it's like, we would want something like this. There's no way you can strategize. So what they did was they got it to at least test the top right there. So you could, I mean, if you do it, if you're going, let's see, what did he say? You told me to be patient and wait for a back test of 230. Boom, we got the 230, right? Yeah. It occurred a couple days ago. As the bullish engulfing candle today confirmed that level of support. The engulfing candle is a signal. Yeah, you could, if you wanted. I mean, like, you really could take a shot here because they're doing the thing that we would prefer that they do. Now, you know, there's another level that's lower risk at 215. But you know, like, if you are going to long this, there's no way you're going to be able to take profit at $3. You would have to say, all right, I'm going to take the chance that they actually break $3 this time and we make it to 462. You have to swing kind of for the fences on this one. Right? Because your stop loss is going to, you know, because it's so much now, like, how do you do it? Do you just have the stop just below the engulfing candle, or you have it below the 200? That would probably be safer, but the safest obviously is going to be below that 215 level. So I guess right there, you see how you can't, there's no way, 1.681, terrible. But again, if you're swinging for the fence, 6.46 to 1 reward to risk. You could even have a looser stop if you wanted. You could even take it all the way down here and be stupidly loose on your stop loss below the level, right? Undeniable level. And it's still very equitable, 4.7 to 1 reward to risk. That's how one could play this. Second target, just an easy 5. And then number 3 would be Babe Ruth. One wick. Here's a reversal, reversal, reversal.
$5 from
probably
Wildfire
pretty good third
FX.
target.
Will gold
680.
reach 3,000? Let's go, baby gold.
You could also play it not as conservative, right? Like that. It could definitely be played like that. Let me check my crystal ball. Let me check my notes. Yes, one day in the distant future, one day gold will see $3,000 because they are not stopping printing money. Every 100 days, the United States takes on $1 trillion more of debt. Because of that variable, yes, gold will most likely hit $3,000, but I don't know when. But yeah. So there you have it. That is a way to strategize a trade on Energy Web Token. They're doing the thing, man. They're doing the right thing. So again, you don't have to have the stop loss so loose. You could have it tight, but if you have it tight, understand with this crypto world, what if Bitcoin has a pretty bad day, you know, goes to 63K, the thing's probably going to go test 230 again, you know? So there is a way. This is probably your best bet, but dang. I'm not getting any alerts on that. Wow, Anonymous, thank you so much for the premium ring spun cotton t-shirt purchase. That's sports community, man. Thank you, dude. The Super American. Anonymous, thank you so much for purchasing the unisex premium pullover hoodie. 1776. Our enemies will be vanquished. Win revolution again, since people have infiltrated our government. Anonymous, thank you so much for the classic crew neck t-shirt. Merchandise. Thank you, dude. Thank you, dude. The merchandise. You purchased merchandise, so it's the merchandise. Thank you, man. All right, so you got anything to say about EWT? Should this be published? Just not sure, man. But wait, like, this crap sucks, man. Like, good God, you're talking about the worst price action, unforgivable. Like, look what they've done. It's like 60-minute. Okay, we topped out, and now you're like confirming less market participants in Bitcoin lately than you saw before. One time, no one knows. Second time they tried and they failed. It's like, are you kidding me, man? So gross. Okay. EWT, got a chance. You do. FLR on Coinbase for Jarl D. Coinbase. Yeah, this isn't something I'd ever be like, oh, I'm so excited. So excited, dude. I get it, man. It back tested 3.6 cents. Fibs on the daily. Why Coinbase? There's probably an asset or another exchange with more data. So wouldn't we want more data? Look, it hit a 1618. Hype. He asked for the Coinbase Fibonacci on the daily. There it is. It hit a golden mean ratio and then reversed. It'll probably attempt to rally. But if you're talking about Fibonacci the downside, low to high. Anonymous, thank you so much for the merchandise, the Citadel mug. Yes. We are the Citadel, man. Appreciate that. Wow, man, that's like 4 pieces of merchandise. Hype. We're working on more merch, more designs, newer ones. So thank you for that. Thank you, J-Mub. Appreciate those merchandises. 38% retrace from the low. Okay. It's been on a tear, right? It's been unstoppable since November, October. Went up 580%. I would not touch this.
Hey Mitch, my man. Can we look at Dimitra? It was one you looked at multiple months ago and you was very excited. I wonder what your thoughts are now. DMTR on KuCoin. Cheers brother. 0.2424069 LTC.
Thank you, Great Beyond, for the 2131. Super gizling of you. Thank you. We will look at that. This is like, again, man, we're looking for the framework so we can manage our risk appropriately. There's nothing I can do here. Like, I can't do anything. I can only just look at the chart and say, nice. 580% in months. Nice. There's nothing wrong with that. It's nice. That was nice. But no discernible edge. No structural development. Nothing that we can use. Thank you, dude. That was not German. That was Dutch. The next one was DNT. Wait, no. Jeff Stone was off by 10. He did not contribute. He was $10 short of the required amount. Jeff, you can still do that if you want. KMD for Dret. Old Komodo. We're going to head on down to Komodo. Get some duck. Get some dessert. Yeah, it's like KNC kind of. Yeah. Komodo, it's been destroyed, it's wrecked, but then all of a sudden, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you got like whatever. M shape completing 886s. Look how the sellers failed to test that low from 2022 as they had been doing. All right, that's just like KNC. And now what happened? Ooh, a higher low here and another higher low. 200 moving average up sloping. Yeah, you're getting ready. And it looks like it's getting ready to do some things. 50-cent target probably eventually. It's kind of rough here, man. That's like a huge... I mean, how do you try to think about like how we would anchor? It's too freaking whack, man. You know, like that. It's like an M shape. And then all of a sudden they're just putting in the higher lows now. And yeah, you'd think setting up for 50 cents. Well, let's just say it's like a zone between 46 and 50 cents. Oh man, sorry, I'm so tired. Workout and all that. Yeah, so 46 to 50 cents from here. Harder to strategize an entry stop loss because there were probably better times. The closer you were to 17 cents, the better. 50 cents, so you break 50 cents, well, you know, 69 cents, but then probably 96, 96, 96, 96, repeating, of course. As you can see, straight up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, a million times, right? So it is very similar. Let me just tell you, it's probably the same composite, man, by the looks of it. KNC. There's like almost no difference between the two. Wow. Real quick. Thank you so much to Kurt for the 2 months of support. You re-upped your Patreon/Citadel membership. John Rex, thank you so much for joining the Patreon. Jeff N, thank you for joining the Patreon. Walter Thor S, thank you for joining the Patreon. And then just seconds ago, Drunken Wino, thank you so much for joining the freaking Patreon. Please be sure to send the Patreon to the Discord. Thank you. Holy crap. That means a lot, okay? 100% crowdsourced community and stream. No monetization on YouTube, no ads, no sponsorships, no affiliate marketing, just you. So thank y'all. Wino.
Austin Scrubbot asked me, "Hey Macho Man, what should I do if I can't listen to Mitch or look at charts because I have Dorito dust in my eyes and crumbs on my t-shirt?" Ooh, yeah. Austin Scrubbat, you're in a sticky situation, but the Macho Madness has a solution for you. You gotta elbow drop those snack problems away. Yeah, clean up your act, snap into a cleanup, and get back to the beat with Mitch Rada. Dig it, rise to the top like the cream of the crop.
Austin Scrubbat. Wow.
Baba Booey.
Thank you so much for the Scrubbat Baba Booey combo. Wow, dude. Just wow. I don't even know. I heard Dorito dust, and that was funny. Thank you. Mother of God. Wow. Sometimes those just leave you speechless, don't they? All right. We got our Komodo out of the way. Drunken Wino said he's out of money after buying all that SCRV. And I guess that's kind of an informal way of requesting. We shall look. Guess what, chat? All we can do is talk about it every single day of your entire life. Oh, you're part of the community? CRV shoved down your throat. You're like, you've been force-fed CRV. There was nothing you could do about it. Force-fed CRV. And it's up like 60%, 56%, whatever. And once 88 cents breaks, bye-bye. Bye-bye CRV. Bye-bye. 120, 180, 260 probably. Yeah, you were warned. You were warned, dude. And there's nothing I can do to help you, okay? If like we're just hand delivering these things to you after all the other ones played out in October, November, and it's here, and you still don't take action, just get out of here, dude. Like, whatever. Taking profit on CRV? It's far too early in the day to take profit on CRV. Yes, you're up stupid amounts, but it's about to get really, really, real stupid up in here. From here. They broke the supply line, man. CRV. CRV. We will be kings. Yep, can't wait. Can't wait for the scrubs who, look, think about it right now. You're watching, we're talking, doing charts, and then like in the future, there are like people out there that aren't here right now, that don't give a crap about anything, the work we put in, the framework, the methodology, everything, right? They're out there somewhere eating Doritos, right? Not paying attention. What are they doing tonight? What are they doing? Watching Dancing with the Stars or watching reality TV show, watching Big Ed. Big Ed trying to get another date with some girl. And then they're going to show up when CRV's at $2. And they're like, dude, what about CRV? This whole hindsight, bro. They're going to show up and they're going to talk crap. They're going to be mad. They're going to be upset. If there's so much hype in the chat, they wish there was hype in their chat. But dude, Big Mike or Big Ed, he got another girlfriend. He got the neck, man. So can't wait till those normie scrubs show back up to this stream and have no idea what's going on. I can't wait to sell to them. Can't wait till the exit liquidity shows up. Okay, we'll move on. Busta fam wanted some XLM. Yeah, up against a level, 14, 15 cents. Once they break that, it's like, you just got some adversity ahead of you. You know, you got 1, 14, the 14, the 16, the 17. Once 17 breaks, that's when things start getting really, really nice. You're just going through the atmospheres, right? Once you break 16, 17, you're heading 23 cents, 30 cents, 35 cents. But there's just work to be done. But the good news is these two lows are substantially higher than the previous lows, so more than before. Like the local low is higher than the first low. So that's even more evidence of accumulation. Let's go eat some Doritos and not give a crap about this until it's far too late and be stupid and then join and then become exit liquidity like all the other idiots they're going to join. Can't wait. And they're just going to say, oh, I didn't care. I didn't know. Please, chat, help me. Help me.
Hey Mitch,
what
can
am I
you
gonna
take
do?
a look at Jupe/USD?
Like, bro, our years, like our next 3 or 4 years have already been made in the past 6 months for some of us. Yep, I could just retire. Let's just retire from trading because of the yield from some of these stupid runs. You got people that don't even know this is happening. But the composite man will beckon them. They will return. They always do. They cannot resist. It's just their greed. XLM, it's fine. But you got to break 14, you got to break 15, 16, 17, and then you're going to start getting paid 23 cents plus 30 cents. It's just, yeah, that's it. It's all about the levels. Hello, young Jonathan? Young little Jonathan? Is that you? I see you eating your Doritos. Come, join the market. It is in the news. I made the call. That's what's gonna happen, okay? All right, let's see here. DMTR. Dimter. It's Dimter. Yeah, it really wasn't. It looked okay, then it like crapped out again, and then it just did something else, and then it's like, all right, well, it's good now, I guess. Kinda. Just, yeah, it M-shaped in the end. I just didn't go back to it. It could be a Gartley, 886 Gartley probably in the end, in retrospect. A little too deep there. But dang, man, it all kind of, in the end, shaped up like that. And yeah, now it's great. Now it's like, all right, you got one last little level, and then you're going to go bye-bye. You break 5.9 cents, you'll probably double up. Yep. Above 5.9 cents, that was tested late February. Again, once have your alerts set up, Gray Beyond. If they break that level, bye-bye. They break that level, boom. 56, 57% upside to 74% upside. They ever break that, boom. Almost 200%, 188% upside. There you go. All in, here's some guy, some random guy. He's saying I'm angry. Who's angry? I'm just stern. This is just how I am, man. I'm sure look, dude, there's there's probably beyond 1 million people who are live streamers, right? You can watch anyone. This is just how I am. I'm so angry, bro. I'm angry about the way the composite man does things. Because like I'm a streamer and I'm trying to help people identify like low risk entries so they can like make money and their lives get better, right? But the dumb money doesn't show up until there's no more opportunity. So that's like vexing when you're trying to help people. Like all these things go up 200%. And then they start asking me questions. What should I do? And I'm like, there's nothing. You have no one to blame but yourself. Because you missed all of it where it was reasonable. It's now we're in mania and you get it? You're here. You're texting me. You're talking to me. We're in mania now. So you can call it anger all you want. It's just, it's hard helping people because of that. So yeah, I mean, again, have an alert set up. I just set mine. 5.9 cents is the threshold. Above that, boom, 55 to 75% upside. And it looks like it's just, yeah, probably going to do it. DMTR, you come back in like 3 to 6 months. Dude, I can't believe it's at 10 cents, 17 cents. Should I buy now? Yep, probably. Oh my God, J Powell tipped me for JUP coin, Jupiter coin. Look. On what? On the butthole exchange? What do you want, man? Oh, it got listed, delisted from Coinbase probably already. Nope, can't look it. Let me just go down. Let me spend 30 minutes looking for the right JUP coin exchange. Oh God, when did JUP coin, Jupiter coin, when did it get listed? Someone tell me. Please. I use Jupe coin daily. No, you don't. Dude, is that rounding? Is that cup with Hendelman? Yep, it's cup. Everything in the world that's ever existed, known to man, is cup with handle. Look, it's Scuba Steve. He's in chat. Scuba Steve is literally a cup with handle. These ear pods are cup with handle. This microphone, cup with handle, man. San Pellegrino, cup with handle, man. Thank you, Anonymous Bonk Connect. Thank you, dude, for the $1 super chat. Thank you. Okay, here's the target, bro. The target's 87 cents. What do you want from me? There's nothing I can do on here. I can't do anything. I can't do anything. I appreciate the contribution always, but dang, man. How do I strategize an entry? Do I set a stop loss up below 43 cents? Well, that means, like, guess what happens if your stop loss is below a level? Oh, it would have happened. Okay, let's just lose 44% of our position and get stopped out. I'm just nothing to do. Whatever. Thank you, man. Fibonacci? Is this how, are we going to Fibonacci this? All right, bro. 99 cents, $1.14. I hope that helps on Jupcoin. Hey, dude, CRV's kind of going, dude. Look what it did. I mean, this is a break, cook, and go, potentially, right? They broke it. It's a confirmed bullish breakout with candle close 2 days ago. Yesterday, a formal bullish back test. What was once a resistance, is now what? It is support. Break, hook. If you engulf, it is a go. It is the go. The break, hook, and go. Confirmation of a breakout. Okay. There you see, drunken wino weeno. There you go. Aaron King. Thank you, dude. We have new rules. Well, they're not. There's augmented rules.
$15 from Aaron King.
Because of the season.
Mitch, can you take a look
the
at
season for
Mexican
believing.
peso to US dollar on the weekly for old times' sake? THX.
Okay. For old time's sake. Unfortunately, it is, and it's in a description, and it's right here. I know, man. I literally should do it, man. I should just make the $20 request the size of the webcam, at least for a couple streams. Or just put it, I don't know, in the middle of the chart or something. I don't know. Thank you. Okay, yeah, this is CRV, and it's great. It's great. It's time. I don't know what day it would be, but you will eventually on this coin see one of those Shiba Inu days, Bitcoin Cash days, Uniswap days, HBAR, Filecoin days, where it's like, oh my God, it melted my face off. It's cool, all in. It's cool. Yeah, Uniswap, man, win 20. All we got to do, apparently all that Uniswap has to do is get to 20. $20. It's already broken out. Like, you might back test 13 bucks,
Mitch.
but
Can you look at my bot
$20
chart
seems very
gaming
likely.
coin 3 ULL USDT on Mex? Gaming bull cycle, dude. Yeah, dude.
Wow.
KNC doing thanks, cheers. 19.01609405 KNC.
Thank you so much, Yo, for the 1668 of the KNC.
$5 from
Oh,
Aaron
wait,
King.
it was a
My
contribution.
bad.
Oh, you tipped me KNC for KNC. How appropriate. Thank you, dude. Aaron, thank you, dude. All right, well, AA Ron, we'll just look at that Mexican peso right now. Y'all, dude, what you talking about, dude? Which one? Oh my God, dude, Mexican peso is about to like rule the world. I'm not even on like the one, but dude, yeah. Let me try to find the one with the data. Was it ICE? It was ICE. Yeah. Yep. Beautiful. Literally insane. Like broke supply lines, a multitude of them, back tested a spring brilliantly. And it looks like you're above the 200. You got multiple Baba Buoys. Yeah, it looks like it's priming up for, 6.2 to 6.5. Very, very nice. Let's go to the weekly. Correct. I agree. Yeah, this is an incredible position for the golden retrace, right? 6.2, but then you have that swing low from 2009, which would be real, 6.5, but then, all the way up to 7.7. It's running. It's been running for a while.
ARB ready to go?
You probably can't because stockholders, right?
I mean, it's legal, right?
It's totally legal.
Hey, man, it's been a while since I've seen the 2420 variation. Thank you, dude. Those are the Iowa Hawkeyes. Marijuanas.
$19.99 from Daniel Mendes. Hi, Mitch. Can you look this trash?
We can look at Iris
Energy.
Iren.
Thanks.
Well, I don't know. Minor? Thank you, dude. Yes, yes.
Baba Booey.
Baba Booey. Baba Booey's in the chat. Yeah, it looks good. Like on the week, on the weekly, Baba Booey. Not many currency pairs to US dollar looking good like this. They're looking great like that. I don't know. This one has been doing very well. Let's see here. 3 all. On Mex. Yep. Well, see, this is one where I don't know, dude. For me, I would wait to way lower prices. You can already see the framework trying to set up. I would wait for an 886, wait for the shark, wait for a formal bullish back test of a key resistance as support. That would be the area where one could strategize an entry based on, right, not just the levels, but also the Fibonacci. There you go. That would X marks the spot. That's where you'd be looking for type 1s, type 2s, inverse head and shoulders, all kinds of stuff. It looks terrible right now.
Line. Above the 200s more.
You just crashed my Lumia.
Point. 75.0000000
You crashed it.
algo.
Who was that? What'd you do, dude? Why you Gartley? Whoa, dude. Whoa. Do not disrespect the Gartley. Don't disrespect the lights. Hello? Ah, thank you. We're back. We looked at Unibot, yes. We did. That, sir, is where one will be looking for things to develop. And it would take time down there. But until then, nothing to do here. I don't really give a crap what it does next. I don't care. Not me. But thank you. Red chip. KNC. He just said KNC doing things. Cheers. Cheers indeed. Cheers. 93 cents, 97 cents, 115, 120. And then $2. 1, 2, 3. Right? I can't help that this is playing out so well. I can't help it. And that the upside in the shortest of short terms is marginal just here because it's the level of inflection. It's undeniably a clear level. So if they're able to break that, then easy run to 115, 120. If the buyers are ever able to break that, it's a new paradigm where you run to $2. Well, not new, ancient, but I'm saying like new lately. It's been a while since we've been above 120, and it was in September 2022. So yeah, nice run though. I mean, like, hey, we identified a Garley, the Rising Three Valleys down here. Oh, it's just up 55% in a month. Pretty freaking amazing. Thanks again. ARB ready to go, Anonymous said. Wait, we looked at ARB, didn't we? Yeah, yes. Ready to go. Remember, like, at $3, you're banned if you mention ARB about not taking profit or asking about longing it. When this reaches $5, wherever, because you just don't know which ones are going to do it, but like they do, they go to levels that you cannot even dream of. But they normally, before they do that, they look like this. They also may be conservative. They run up, they just hit levels and they reverse, but this is what things look like before mania. Stupid mania. It's trade setup. It's active. You know it is. Dead chat. Hype in the dead chat. Is it going for it? It looks like it. It's the highest price seen on ARB since January 12th. So what more is there to talk about? The entry, you had it. It's beyond the entry now. It's going. All right. See why it's good. Resistance, flips, support, support, support. Higher lows locally. All is well. In the ARB world, DYDX doing things. Is it today? Nah, wait. Nah, it's not doing anything today. It was doing things yesterday. Sure, not today. ETC is at its highs of the day, pretty much 39. Soon to be testing the second target of the trade setup for the first time, if you can even believe it. Fourth target, or I'm sorry, third target would be 45. We got some altcoins doing things, man, on the new day. Filecoin up 3.69%. Oh my God. Above $10. Understand what happens to Filecoin. $16 to $17 Filecoin. If it happens, you can't be like, oh, I'm so surprised. It's all about the levels, and there's no more level. Straight up, straight down. Guess what happens? Straight up. Oh. But it all started with the framework. The Jesus. Theta, it already broke out, man. And we're just waiting for $3.72 to $4. That's the next level. It's been that way. Okay. INJ, guess what? Very, very, I'm just telling you, the only thing you can do is be patient. If you wait, price discovery for you, 10Ds for you, 53, 68, 83, 92, all on deck. But can you hold? Can you hold through it? I don't think you can. Like, we're going to get to these levels and there, no one's going to say anything about INJ. And it's going to be like, all right, whatever. Wow, some of the nice setups, trade setups are like up today. Nice. Not all of them. Look at this, man. Ethereum, you know, just moments ago saw officially multi-year highs. The highest level seen. I mean, I guess, right? No, yeah. The highest level seen since December of 2021 today within the past hour. Can you believe it, man? The second largest crypto doing that thing. Bitcoin can't do crap. What a joke. Okay, Bitcoin is now for boomers. Ethereum for the millennials, and then Pepe coin for the Zoomers. Perfect. I hear someone screaming. I hear Dead Moon Boys. Good Lord. Yeah, man, these all like, dude, high is up 3.8% now on the new day. And arms tired. We got any more requests? I don't think so. Oh yeah, maybe pre. It's just pre. No, wait, Iron. Iron first, and then that one. Iris Energy. All right. Goo Goo Dolls hype. Right, because Goo Goo Dolls has a song called Iris, right? So trash Iris Energy. Let's look at it. The most recent discernible event was a lower high. Tested that support as resistance. Selling off. But yeah, they keep, it's like XRP. It's like XRP's granddad. Well, I keep making higher lows, but you know, we're not really ever going anywhere. Even though we keep making high, we're going to continue accumulating, but we're not going anywhere. Do I see anything that makes sense for an, you know, actionable entry right now? Nah. No. Are you close enough to a major support? Nah. Do you got any structure here? Nah. I just look at it and say below 645, 696, meh. I wouldn't touch it. I think there's a lot of volume came in, but I just think, right, you could put your money somewhere else and you'll get better yield than Iris Energy Connect. Yeah. Baba Booey. It is the Baba Booey. And we shall now look at pre. Printix. Yes. What? You can't tell me you want to look at Printix. This is something you'd never trade. You'd never own it. It has 166,000 volume. It's at all-time lows. Why? Remember when VLO was a great ungodly trade setup? It was an uptrend, a spring back test from the 2018 high. It became a support, ascending triangle. It's nearing the breakout now. You could have owned that. You could own International Paper, Under Armour. You could own AMD. But you're like, let's look at Printix. Let's look at Printix. Yeah, I just look at it and I say, nah, I'm good. I'm good. I don't care if it's a dragon. You can say it's a dragon. I think it's just garbage. They should never be looked at or traded. Yeah, dude, I'm sure the devs are doing something. Yeah, the devs did something on the IPO. They scammed everybody. All right. Still scamming. It's like, you could say dragon all you want, but there's no way this is what you're looking at. This is what you want. Above the 200 some moving average. So that's just not true. So this has to be, he has to be asking about pre-search on Uniswap or something. And this is pretty garbage too. Oh God, dude. Okay, they defended 2.3 pennies. All right, anything about 2.2 pennies, I guess could go, you could see. I don't know. I mean, like, what is considered an inflection point? It's all here or here or here. Nothing ever really respects the levels on this. But you're saying, like, here's the dragon head, here's the hump, here's the feet. I don't know. I guess the closer you are to 2.2, 2.4 cents, the closer you are to being able to strategize optimally. Right, with a stop loss below the July 2021 low. Do I see anything locally? Nah. Like right here, just one low. Like normally what happens, you get the runs like this, the pullback, you get one ballot, then you'll get a second one that'll be discernible. You'll be able to see it. And it's like, oh, something like that. Let's come back. Let's come back to pre-search when we see that. Sure. Not yet. I wouldn't do anything until you saw something like that. And if you never got that, then I would never own it. That's it. That's me. Pre-search on Uniswap. Who cares? But thank you. I really appreciate the contribution. It's just, let's get everything we want, because I don't see everything I want here. I want this. If I don't get that, I don't trade it. I don't want it. Even if it does that, I'm probably still not going to want to trade it, but you might want to. Bitcoin's gearing up, dudes. All right, the Bitcoin engine's revving, man. Win double top. Ugh.
Sui/used Binance, please, sir.
What's up, Anon? Thank you for the 20. Sui. Just looking at different exchanges and I'm like, okay. It's like that other thing we looked at earlier. Dude, is there anything here? No, not really. Look what they did. I can't believe they've done this. Look. The candle open, like it was the beginning, the genesis. And then Sui went to all-time lows. Then it ran randomly without any sort of rhyme or reason. And then it peaked out at $2, like $1.97. Then it's violently pulled back. And then they just had some limit buys set up there and it's bounced. But is there anything locally, any structure? Nope. If it rallies, you have won at the slot machine. And I say congratulations. You won the slot machine. Keep going long on assets with no reason outside of one test on an asset with no data. Again, there's a framework that's amazing, but most of the time it doesn't, like the variables we look for on any given chart don't show those things. So you have to scan through thousands of charts.
$4.99 from WLS 170. Mitch is the best there is. Appreciate you, Mitch.
What's up, Willis? Thank you for the for the $4.99 super chat. Thank you, dude. Thank you. Right, for the altcoins, because they're doing things. Files up 4%, Theta's up 5.6%. ETC is climbing 3.5%, High 3.9%. Shiba's going. CRV still up above 2%. Doge eclipsing or nearing 3%. EOS up 3%. That's crazy. ENS is doing things. You got the altcoin show continuing, man. That's freaking wild. Yeah, when you request something, you normally are like if you request something and you want like me to get excited and stuff, find me this. Find me that. Whoa, dude. M shape, type 2 return, all after a 95% retrace. That will get me excited. Or something like Unibot, or at KNC, or before on CRV, before 70% ago CRV. Oh man. Okay, I gotta eat, man. I gotta eat. I'm hungry. Another hard workout today. I think I'm just gonna do a lot of sushi or something today. It's gonna be a sushi type of evening, chat. Ethereum is beautiful. It really, really is, because it's now up nearing 2%. Where are we? Look at it. 4,020 looms.
$4.99 from Overcome 70 by 7.
Just keeps going,
Do you
man.
plan on being totally out of the market eventually this run?
The bots are auto bidding Ethereum every day. plan on totally being out of the market eventually? I mean, yeah, at some point it'll be like everything that could have been a setup played out, or there's a huge flush on like a blow off top on Bitcoin and it kills the newer trade setups. So you get stopped out there to where eventually, yeah, you kind of do get thrown out of the market.
$9.99 from Jack P, longtime patron. I'd why anyone wouldn't be a Patreon member.
Jack, it's just because it costs money and people don't have to do it. So why would they if they don't have to? It's all good though. Hey, all these other people you watch, they make you watch ads. They force affiliate marketing links down your throat. They make you see sponsors on their stream. They do that. I don't do that. Never have in 6 years. So voluntary. It's all voluntary. The way we monetize here. So, but yeah, Ethereum 4020 786. You'll probably be at 4179 to 4400. That 886. Why not 4400? At 5,000, I'm going to release the unreleased $5,000 Ethereum NFT because I had it. I still have it. And it was like, all right, if Ethereum hits 5,000, then we mint the NFT. It never hit 5,000. So we're waiting. It's beautiful. Yep, BTC at its highs, getting closer and closer to multi-year highs. Let's go, man. Yeah, listen to me complain about my workout instead of an ad. Exactly. An ad by a company that most likely hates you. Its values have nothing to do with yours. Yeah. But it's weird, man, where we are. Late stage capitalism for sure. Look, man. These alts are going to keep doing things. Bitcoin's going to keep doing things. I don't know, though, man, if Bitcoin buyers are ever going to be able to break 67,554. Come on, dude. You keep failing forever. I guess it's good. It's just keep continuously. Maybe they're just absorbing supply that exists there. There's certainly supply there, but what kind of absorption? Oh, Rudy Poo, you know it. Yeah, all these companies have been infiltrated by the woke mind virus. It's terrible. But that's like how it works. It infiltrates these companies, and hey, man, like what makes America like amazing is like, well, all the well-established, incredible businesses that have been that were established 50 to 100 plus years ago. Well, they've now all been infiltrated. And so the consumers don't want it, so they boycott and they destroy the company. So you're it's destroying the great concepts that America was built on, kind of. It's weird. It's really weird. It's like this rot.
Entertainment, believe me.
Cancer.
You won't want to miss this comedy show.
Hello, Don. Thank you. Yes, yes. State of the Union. It's terrible. Bye. We're destroying America from within. We're doing it on purpose. Thanks for watching. That's what it's going to be said. We hate you too. And we're replacing you, certainly, with someone who doesn't even understand the concept of freedom. Easy to take away their rights. But yeah, at least we're making a lot of money, you know? Like, that's the thing. It's like, we know how terrible, like, things are getting. And it's like, yeah, man, we're making all this money and it's cool. We can eat caviar and travel and have fun. But dang, dude, the West is still collapsing. And it's due to like the people in power. Okay, so I'm going to leave y'all with it. This party is not over. Understand, the party is continuing. Bitcoin may or may not do it sooner rather than later, but if we keep this pace up, the altcoins are just going to continue exploding. Oh, so Subcheck just now. Thank you so much for joining the Citadel in the Discord, the premium Discord. I really appreciate the support, man. I see you. That was just like 1 minute ago. Hi with the friggin' chat.
Hype in the chat.
Thank you, dude. So maybe we'll make it, dude. I can't wait till I hear alerts and it's like they're gonna do it. Those crazy SOBs, they're punching through 67,555. We're going to 69K and it's all-time highs. Hey song, and then the champagne gets popped. I can't wait, man. I can't. So until then, respect the TA.
Please clap.